All right, what's going on, guys? Today is the 31st, and we have not filled up all of the positions or even close to the position. So, since there isn't that much interest in it, I am not going to waste any more time trying to create any further rounds. So, what we're going to do is go ahead and cancel round 3, and I am going to start returning all of the assets. So, what I've done here, guys, is copy all of these existing entries, place them in an Excel spreadsheet here. So you'll see them listed here. And that's a total of 0.012, as we have here, a total of 0.012 with all of the addresses. And what I've done is a group by, so that I don't have to send out 12 transactions, because some of these are kind of lumped together where you sent more than 0.001 Bitcoin. So it breaks it up where each address, it gives me the total sum of what you guys sent from each address. So I'm going to return that. And for this particular wallet here, the 80250, I did see for that wallet, you specified different addresses, but rather than have to send 100 or 0.001 to each one of these, I'm just sending it to the same address from which you sent that payment. Okay. So let's hop back over here, and this way, instead of sending 12 transfers, I'll only have to send 4. And what I'm also gonna do, guys, is give you like an extra pound or something like that, so that the fee that you paid to enter this round will be returned to you as well. And I kind of calculated that just by coming down and saying, hey, what is I actually said, what is a dollar? That should have been a pound, but I say, what's a dollar? And it was 0.00009 or 845. Actually, let me go ahead and change my settings real quick to see what a pound would be, because I don't want to shortchange you guys. Let's see, now that's denominated in pounds. If that was 1 pound, all right, so that would be 0.00017. Okay, so let me do a quick change. And what I'm gonna do here, instead of saying that 0009, say 0017, and I'm gonna copy that for each one of these. Okay. All right, so that will be the amount that you guys receive in return. So that covers the fee completely. Okay, so let's just get started sending this Bitcoin back to you guys. Send this Bitcoin here to this address. And I'm just documenting this so you guys know and everybody else knows that you did receive this payment. So you sent a total of 0.005 Bitcoin. Okay, and that's returning that to you. Okay, I'm done with that. Switch that to another color so I don't do it again. I'm gonna send this amount back to this address. Okay. You're going to send, color code that. Send this amount. I just want to make sure this is all correct. Yes. 0.3 P div. Yep, that's the only one. Okay. Returning that. I'm done here. And finally, I am sending this back. And this amount. Get this beat untagged for free at freebeats.io. Oh man. Oh, okay. Let me do something. Looks like I need to send a little extra Bitcoin to this wallet. Let me log into one of my wallets real quick. Always a headache doing this, but let me go and get it out the way. And I need to send some Bitcoin. I need to send 0.004. Yeah, I just need a little extra Bitcoin. So I'm going to receive Bitcoin here in this address. From this wallet, my gifting wallet, I am going to send $10 in Bitcoin. Should cover me plenty. Okay, I'm done with that. So I'm going to get this out the way. All right, so I received that extra Bitcoin here. So now I should be able to go ahead and finish that payment there. So I'm going to send to this address. And I'm going to send this amount. All right. That will be it for round 3, guys. I have returned all of the assets as we discussed, and since nothing was filled up, still had another 16 slots. We're just going to end round 3 here, and for tomorrow we will check to see if BitNest pays out. So here's the wallet. Looks like volume or deposits are still increasing. So we have another day before these pays out, another 20 hours or so. So I will knock that out tomorrow and start paying out for round 1 and round 2. All right, guys, just wanted to drop this video so you guys are aware that we have officially canceled round 3, and we'll handle round 1 and 2 tomorrow. All right, we'll holla on the next one. Peace out.